Hey guys, Sean Bougie, surplusfundsriches.net. Real quick, I'm getting a lot of people contacting me about this recent Wisconsin case and whether or not it's going to have an impact. And the funny thing is, this is on surplus funds. The funny thing is, most of the people contacting me on this are folks that follow me on YouTube but haven't purchased my program. So they're saying, well, this affects the states that we can work, because is this going to have a domino effect on all these other states we can't work? Well, the thing is, the way we teach it, and I'm going to get into the case itself, but the way that we teach it, okay, the way that we actually go through it with everyone is you use an attorney regardless of whether or not it's necessary. Even if it's using a claim form, get it out in the claimant's name and use the attorney's trust account to break that out. In addition, we use structured buyouts so we don't fall under any of the finder laws, okay? Having said that, what happened in Wisconsin is finally we're seeing a return in the courts in a number of different issues to reality, to fairness. And one of the things that has always been discussed is it fair to keep the money in excess of the debt that was owed to the county for tax sales? Is it fair? The vast majority of the states said, no, that's stupid. We have to return it. Just so you guys know, similar law goes along with storage units. So if you don't pay your storage unit, at a certain point, you guys have seen Storage Wars or whatever, at a certain point, they're going to sell it off. Now, if they actually sell the contents, and a lot of times they'll do it blind and all that, just do an auction. But if they actually sell the contents for more money than they were owed for that unit, they have to give the rest back to the person that had the unit. Same thing here. You can't take more money than you're owed just because you're a government entity, okay? Now, there's still some counties and states out there that play fast and loose with this stuff. Michigan had a recent ruling as well. In their ruling, they said, yeah, we're going to give the money back. Oh, by the way, the majority of the counties have their foreclosures or tax sales first quarter of the year. And usually just once a year in Michigan. So they said, by the way, you've got until June 15th to claim it. So a lot of the counties are pushing that back to March, April. So there's such a short claim period that it really doesn't make a difference. Wisconsin finally said, yeah, we got to give the money back. Now, the effect hasn't really affected us. We've already been fined because we use structured buyout and attorney. We don't fall under any of the finder caps or regulation. We're getting it out in the claimant name. We have no issues cashing the check. So when people get up with me and go, is this going to impact our business? I'm like, not really. The only states that we don't work, and by the way, we partner with you too. We'll do the heavy lifting. Look, check us out, surplusfundsriches.net. We only sell the program 2 days out of the month. June, it'll be the 16th and 17th, starting on the 16th at 10 a.m. Eastern, going until we sell out, generally halfway through the following day. National Surplus is the program I'd recommend for newbies getting into this. It teaches you how to do it on your own. It also gives you the option to partner with us, where all you have to do is get a list, and we teach you how to do all this. And then take that list and research debt to make sure there wasn't additional debt against the property at the time of the sale. Because if there was, that has a priority claim to the overage in front of the owner. I know the other guys aren't telling you this. That's true of every state, guys. Okay, so if they're telling you, all you got to do is get a list and call people, and they'll say yes, and you're going to be a millionaire, they're full of crap, okay? There's a little bit of work to this, and yes, just like those other states, Michigan and Wisconsin require that if there was a judgment holder against the person prior to the sale in the same county, judgments recorded in the same county, or if there was a mortgage recorded against that property that was unsatisfied, not canceled, then that is a priority claim to the funds in front of the owner. So I hope this has helped answer some of your questions on that. Bottom line, though, really no impact to us. We're using attorneys and structured buyouts. I actually give the claimant 10% of the gross being held by the court as good faith money within 10 business days after they sign my agreement. And as a result, of course, we get a lot more people to agree with us, and we can tell them where the money is. We don't have to lie about the location of the money, which is what everybody else is doing. Oh, we'll tell you where the money is when you sign my agreement. Sounds shady as crap, and that's why you're not getting any deals together. Surplusfundsriches.net. Click on products, check it out. The sales prices and the overview will be midway down as downloads. I appreciate you guys taking a look. Hope this has helped you out.